Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Photos. Google.com and signing into the Google account that stores your media. Once signed in, click Upload or enable backup and sync if you want automatic uploads. This saves time and preserves originals. Make sure to choose storage quality. Originals use drive quota, high-quality uses compress storage. Pick what matters to you. After uploading a few items, create an album so new images don't scatter. This keeps things searchable and tidy as you continue. Once your images are in, you'll use the search bar to find photos by face, place, or content keywords. This is faster than manual scrolling. You can select multiple photos to move, archive, or download in one action. This saves clicks when cleaning up. For quality fixes, open any photo and use the built-in editor to crop, adjust exposure, and apply filters. These edits are non-destructive, so you can revert. Make sure to use albums and labels to group final selections. To finish, share or export. Select photos and choose Share for a link, add to a shared album, or download originals for a local backup. Once done, verify recipients can view or edit based on the permission you set. If something goes wrong, sync stalls, or uploads fail, check Google account storage, confirm backup and sync has permission to run, and test your internet connection. Often a restart of the app or browser fixes stuck uploads. Keep one clear backup copy locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.